everybody! Wintertime is officially here, and with winter brings snow. And snow means snowman, and we're going to draw this snowman together. So go in the description below and get your dot-to-dot printable template and print it out. Or if you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can get a regular piece of paper, pencil, marker, and just follow along freehand. Let's get drawing. So go ahead and get your marker. And we're going to start here at number 1. And from 1, 2, we're going to go outwards to 3, inwards to 4, and out to number 5 again. So we're going to swerve a little bit. 1 outwards, inwards, outwards, inwards, just like that. Now from number 5 to 6, I want you to actually go a little bit past 5, almost in line with 3 here, and start here and go curving to number 6, just like this. And 6 to 7, again, I'm going to get you to go past 6, almost in line with number 1, just like this. And we're going to do a carrot nose for our snowman. And just past 8, like that. And you're going to connect the two by curving like that. There we go. Now we're going to connect 8 to 9, but I want you to keep on going past 9, curving around, almost in line with number 35 is where we're going to stop. So you're curving just like this and stopping right there. Okay? From 9, outwards to 10 and a little bit past with a curve downwards. And from 10 to 11, you're going to stop at 11, but I want you to keep on going, almost in line with this here, the line that you created earlier. It's 10, 11, and keep on going and stop right about there. Now from 11, 12, and 13, going to curve, and through 14, you're going to keep on going all the way along, and you're going to stop roughly just before 35, almost in line with these spots here. Now from 14, it's a big curve to 21. Now here, you're going to go past 20 before you connect to 21, roughly in line with 34. And you're going to curve upwards and downwards to 21. And then downwards like that to 21 to 22. Now instead of going to 23 right away, we're going to finish the scarf on this end here. So we're going to start at this point and curve up and down a little bit. And then we're going to go up and swerve to 22 just like that and connect. And at this point here, curving downwards around to there. There, here's a scarf. Now from 22 to 23, and I'm going backwards just because it's easier for me to pull than to push my pen. You can do it however you want. And from here, we're going to do a curve all the way to 26, but we're going to skip 24 and 25, just like this. 24, skip, 25 to 26. Now because we're continuing the scarf, just imagine the line is going to go this way and it's going to come up through to 26 and 27. So we want to start back here and we're going to curve like this, and 29 to 28 like this. And again with his face, we're going to continue and imagine the line is going all the way around, and we're going to connect 30 and just past 31 a little bit. So it's about here to there. Okay? 30, 31, you're curving outwards and swooping up past 31. And from 31 to 32, a big swoop like this. Now what you're going to do is connect 32 straight to 31, and you're going to connect this point past 30 all the way over past here as well to finish off the hat. So we're making a band right like this. And now from 32 all the way back to number 1. And then you're done. I take this opportunity now to go fix my lines before we add the details. Now I'm adding details to my snowman, so we're adding a few lines to his hat. Let's do some eyes and a smile. Let's add some stripes to the snowman's scarf. For his buttons, I'm using a circle template, but you can do this freehand if you want, you don't have to use one. I got mine from an art supply store or a drafting store. Now we add his hands, which are sticks, and let's put some fur around the mittens. And of course, we can't forget about the furry pom-pom on his hat. Next, we grab our markers because it's time to color. Once you choose your colors, make sure that you pick a light and a dark version of each color. The light one is going to be for the base color, and the dark one is for shadows that we're going to add later. If you're liking this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and check out all of my other connect the dots dot-to-dot drawing videos. If you really liked drawing this snowman, make sure you hit the like button on this video so I know which pictures you guys like to draw, and I can always draw more for you. I'm using gray and reds to create my picture, but go ahead and try different color combinations and have some fun. If you like, what you can do is print the dot-to-dot printable template twice and make the drawing 2 different ways. I was originally going to make the hat, scarf, and mittens orange and blue on my snowman, but like I said in some of my other videos, I really like red, so I changed my mind. That's what I love about art. You can color a picture however you want and it doesn't really matter because there's no rules. I left my snowman white, but if you wanted to, you could color your snowman. Just maybe not yellow. Yellow snow. Bad idea. We're using orange for his nose because it's a carrot. I used the dark gray for his buttons, but you can use black again if you want, or even brown. Once I color in his eyes, you can use a marker or your Sharpie, whichever you choose. Then it's time to add the shadows. If you're coloring your picture and you say, but I don't have a dark version of the color I'm using for shadows, you know what? That's okay. What you can do is one of 2 things. Use that one color and use it again over shadow areas. And if that doesn't work, you can always use gray instead. Remember, I'm choosing to use markers to color my picture, but you can use anything you like. Paint, crayons, pencil crayons, whatever you have on hand and whatever you like to use. This video is missing something. Oh, I know, snow. There we go. We don't want our snowman to melt now, do we? You'll notice when I'm drawing shadows on the scarf, I'm using my dark gray and only the gray portions, because later I'm going to take my dark red and do on the red portions. Make sure you line up the dark red with the dark gray so it looks like one continuous shadow. And lastly, we're adding shadows to the nose and the buttons. Well, this was fun. I enjoyed drawing the snowman with you, and I hope you did too. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.